Pippa Middleton's heels were the cheapest accessory at Princess Cat's Christmas Carol service. The stylish sister spotted the color of the season at her sister, the Princess of Wales' annual Christmas Carol concert. Pippa Middleton delighted royal fashion fans with an ensemble that effortlessly blended a high street chic with luxurious touches. The Together at Christmas Carol service, now in its fourth year, took place on December 6 at Westminster Abbey with performances from stars like Paloma Fat, Gregory Porter, J.P. Copper with the Soul Sanctuary Choir and rising talent Olivia Dean. The event was a festive feast for the season's broadcast on Christmas Eve. The service also marked one of Princess Cat's few prominent public appearances this year. Pippa Middleton truly stole the show, proving once again that the Middleton sisters know how to turn heads with their impeccable style. The 41-year-old wore in a black bolly midi dress with buckle midi dress with delicate silver threading and statement buttons. The dress from high street favorite Karen Millen was a surprise choice from the sister who often favors Alexandra Rich and other designer levels. The brand's trailer sparkle buckle pocket detail long sleeve midi dresses dress struck the perfect balance of understated elegance and festive sparkle. The piece resistance says, however, was Pippa Middleton's choice of accessories. She stepped out in a pair of sumptuous burgundy velvet pumps from Amy London, elevating her look to the epitome of festive chic paired with Van Lee's Lila bow earrings and Amy London's matching velvet Natasha clutch. Her ensemble was a masterclass in sophistication. Burgundy, as it turns out, is the color on everyone's radar this season. Chloe Gallagher, H Fashion's style writer, elaborates each season we see one specific color that is dominating, from Valentino pink to cherry red and bright green. There is always an overarching favored shade, but as we must accept, summer may well and truly be our. It is time to look ahead. The color on everyone's lips is burgundy, dubbed Windsor wine by the Pantone Color Institute. This rich hue dominated the spring-summer 2025 London Fashion Week shows and has seamlessly transitioned into our winter wardrobes. Gallagher continues, you may think it would be tricky to style burgundy, but this again view it as you would a neutral. It is one of the colors that go with everything. Pippa Middleton's look is the perfect case study for this trending hue. Her velvet pumps and clutch added a pop of color without overpowering her black dress, demonstrating how burgundy can seamlessly complement a range of palettes in a more subdued way than a bright red would. Pippa Middleton styles moment has already become one for the boots, the books, the chick heels serve as a reminder that sometimes the best accessories are the ones that bring timeless elegance and a trending color to the forefront. Thank you for watching Showbiz International News. Please subscribe Showbiz International News for updating news and more informations.